Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install IPF files on your iPhone or iPad. Now step 1 is just open the settings of your iPhone, and once you open the settings just scroll down and find this option called screen time, and once you find this option screen time just open screen time and just scroll down at the end and you will see this option inside the restrictions, content and privacy restrictions. Just make sure to open this setting, content and privacy restrictions, and from this option, just go to the first option, which is iTunes and App Store purchases. Just open this one. And the step one, the option one is basically installing app. Just make sure to open it and make sure that if it is set to don't allow, just set it to allow and come back. And after that, just come back again. And the second option is allowed apps and features. Just go to this option and make sure that you have turned on the Safari. The Safari must be turned on, and once the Safari is turned on, installed app is turned on. After that, you can just go to the Safari browser, download the IPA file whichever you want to install inside your iPhone, and you will be able to install it directly. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.